Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's transforming our world right now. AI powers everything from smartphones to entire cities, fueling a new global race for technological dominance. The United States, with Silicon Valley and giants like Google and OpenAI, has long led the way. But China is rising fast, investing massively in AI talent and infrastructure to become a superpower. This race is about more than technology. It's about economic power, innovation, and global influence. The West and China each have unique strengths and challenges. The outcome will shape the 21st century, impacting every aspect of our lives. China's government is all in on the AI race, launching the Next Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan in 2017. The plan sets ambitious targets: major breakthroughs by 2025, global leadership by 2030, and an AI industry worth $150 billion. Massive government support fuels this drive. Billions invested, favorable policies, and dedicated AI industrial zones. China's vast population provides unparalleled data, giving its companies a major edge. The strategy covers everything from research to talent, pushing AI into smart cities, healthcare, manufacturing, and defense. For China, AI is key to modernization and global influence. Beijing's blueprint signals its determination to set the global standard. China's AI ambitions are powered by a dynamic ecosystem of tech giants and innovative startups, all striving to push the boundaries of what's possible. These companies are not just participants, they are the driving force behind China's ascent in the global AI landscape. Alibaba, a name synonymous with e-commerce innovation, Baidu, the search engine giant turned AI powerhouse, and Tencent, known as Beiti, the social media and gaming behemoth, lead the charge, leveraging huge user bases, massive computing power, and unparalleled access to data. These factors combine to create a fertile ground for AI development and deployment. Alibaba uses AI to optimize e-commerce experiences, making shopping more efficient and personalized, logistics operations, streamlining delivery processes, and developing smart city solutions to improve urban living, with its Damo Academy driving cutting-edge research across a wide range of AI fields. Baidu has reinvented itself around AI, betting big on its potential to transform various industries, leading the way in autonomous driving technology with its Apollo platform, voice recognition capabilities, and advanced large language models like Ernie Bot, rivaling global competitors. Tencent, the force behind the ubiquitous WeChat, applies AI extensively across its vast ecosystem, including gaming, social media platforms, healthcare solutions, and innovative fintech applications. SenseTime, a prominent leader in the field of computer vision, dominates the market for facial recognition technology and smart city surveillance systems. Despite facing international scrutiny and regulatory challenges, these companies continue to push technological boundaries, driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation. Countless startups join the fray, eager to disrupt established industries and create new opportunities, making China a fiercely competitive AI battleground where only the most innovative and adaptable survive. The competition is relentless, pushing companies to constantly improve and innovate, driving rapid innovation and accelerating the pace of technological progress. These companies are not just following government directives, they are active participants in shaping the national AI strategy. They're shaping the future of AI and vying for global technological leadership. Their reach extends into every corner of digital life in China, influencing how people live, work, and interact. Together, they form the engine of China's ambitious AI dream, a vision of a future powered by intelligent technologies. The pace of progress is staggering, with new breakthroughs and applications emerging constantly. China's AI ecosystem is a force to be reckoned with, poised to reshape industries and redefine the global AI landscape. China's path to AI dominance faces a major obstacle: U.S. sanctions on advanced semiconductor technology. These restrictions target high-performance AI chips from companies like NVIDIA and AMD, crucial for training powerful AI models. Without these chips, China's AI development slows, raising costs and limiting scale. The sanctions stem from concerns over China's military modernization and surveillance capabilities. This tech rivalry disrupts global supply chains and forces companies to adapt. Chinese AI firms scramble for chip inventories, redesign models, and seek ways to use less powerful hardware. The pressure has sparked a national push for domestic chip innovation. Developing a self-sufficient chip industry is a massive challenge. but China is determined to break its dependency. The chip chokehold is testing China's resilience and ingenuity. The outcome will shape the future of global AI competition. The stakes are high, and the world is watching. The tech war is far from over. China is responding, adapting, and innovating in the face of significant challenges. To chip sanctions imposed by various nations with determination and investment, a commitment to overcome these hurdles, aiming for AI self-sufficiency, a strategic imperative for the nation's future. The strategy boosts domestic R&D, fostering innovation from within, nurture local manufacturing, building a robust and independent supply chain, and fuel a startup boom in AI chips, encouraging new ideas and disruptive technologies. The government pours billions, a massive financial commitment, into semiconductor research, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, with universities, academic institutions at the forefront, and companies like Huawei leading the charge, driving innovation and technological advancement. Domestic foundries like SMIC, key players in the semiconductor ecosystem, work to close the gap with global leaders, striving for parity in manufacturing capabilities. Startups are innovating in chip design, creating novel solutions and architectures, attracting major investment, fueling their growth and expansion, and exploring new architectures, pushing the limits of performance and efficiency. Software optimization is also a focus, a critical component of the overall strategy, making AI run efficiently on available hardware, maximizing the potential of existing resources. China is exploring alternative computing, venturing into uncharted technological territories like neuromorphic, brain-inspired computing paradigms and quantum technologies, the next frontier of computational power. The sanctions have accelerated China's drive for technological independence, solidifying its commitment to self-reliance. The journey is tough, filled with obstacles and challenges, but the resolve is strong, fueled by a national ambition. Every setback becomes a catalyst for innovation, a driving force for progress. China's long game is reshaping the global tech landscape, altering the dynamics of the industry. The push for self-sufficiency is relentless, an unwavering pursuit of technological prowess. The world is witnessing a new era of tech competition, a battle for dominance in the digital age. The outcome will redefine the balance of power, shaping the future of global influence. The global AI race is not just a technological competition, it's a contest between two fundamentally different models of innovation and development. At its heart, it's a competition between the US and China, each vying for dominance in this transformative field. The US thrives on a bottom-up approach to innovation, fostering creativity and ingenuity from the ground up. This ecosystem is fueled by world-class universities that push the boundaries of knowledge, readily available venture capital to fund promising ideas, and a culture of open research and collaboration. Tech giants and nimble startups emerge from this dynamic ecosystem, constantly pushing the envelope and disrupting established norms. This vibrant environment is what's driving breakthroughs like ChatGPT, showcasing the power of decentralized innovation. In contrast, China blends top-down government direction with the dynamism of fierce market competition. The government sets strategic priorities and provides substantial resources, while companies fiercely compete to implement these goals. Strategic 5-year plans, massive government funding initiatives, and a huge, digitally engaged population give Chinese companies unparalleled access to vast amounts of data, a crucial ingredient for training AI models. Implementation is fast, driven by a culture of rapid execution and a willingness to embrace new technologies. As a result, AI applications scale rapidly across various industries, transforming everything from manufacturing to urban planning. The chatbot race vividly highlights the fundamental differences between these two approaches. OpenAI's ChatGPT, born from the U.S. open and collaborative environment, initially set the pace, while Baidu's Ernie Bot and Alibaba's Tongyi Qianwen, backed by China's vast resources and data, are rapidly catching up, showcasing the speed of Chinese innovation. Chip access, data privacy regulations, and government oversight shape each side's strengths and challenges, influencing the trajectory of AI development in each nation. Both nations are pouring billions into AI research and development, recognizing its strategic importance. In the US, this investment primarily comes from venture capital firms, while in China, it's a combination of substantial government funding and growing private investment. The competition for top AI talent is global and incredibly intense, with both countries vying for the best and brightest minds. This intense rivalry is accelerating AI development at an unprecedented rate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Each ecosystem possesses unique advantages and faces distinct hurdles, shaping their respective approaches to AI. The massive funding and the relentless pursuit of talent are fundamentally reshaping the future of technology, with AI at the forefront. The world is watching with bated breath as these two technological giants push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, unlocking new possibilities and applications. The stakes are undeniably global, and the ultimate outcome of this AI race will have profound effects on everyone, shaping the future of our world. The AI gold rush is far from over. It's just the beginning of a new era of technological innovation and competition. Can China overtake the West in AI? The answer is still unfolding. China's strengths, government commitment, talent, and data are formidable. But chip sanctions and building a world-class semiconductor industry remain major hurdles. The West still leads in fundamental research and global trust. Data privacy and AI ethics could shape global adoption of Chinese technologies. The rivalry is accelerating innovation, but also risks tech decoupling and an AI arms race. The future of AI depends on choices made today. Collaboration or confrontation. The revolution is just beginning, and its impact will be transformative. Who will lead? The world is watching. The stakes could not be higher.